Today we're putting together the Raspberry Pi boxes. What we've learned is that students take a really intense sense of ownership when they have a chance to assemble and build the computer that they're working on. We've designed this up so that it can be built in about a half an hour, and it's a little bit of like a puzzle piece unpacking things. We are always trying to help students move forward with a sense of efficacy, with a sense of growth mindset that I learn from doing, and that a mistake is an opportunity for growth. If it doesn't work, then they get a chance to fix it. When they're writing a program, if something doesn't work on the program, then there's an opportunity to ask for help, to be vulnerable, and to say, hey, I learned something there. It's not that I'm not good at this, I just had an opportunity to get better. As the day progressed, it got successfully more complicated. The box that the students create is essentially a container for a Raspberry Pi device, a small credit card sized computer with a lot of connection power and a whole bunch of sensors. When those sensors are combined together with a real life scenario, the opportunities are endless for creating a project that can be meaningful. Once they've assembled it and they know that this is how it fits together, then matching that into the next phase of the digital assembly of the Raspberry Pi brings them to a sense of pride.